Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of this phone I picked up on eBay from the seller You Sell To Us. I bought a lot of phones from them, so we're going to take a look at this one. I don't exactly remember why I bought this phone. Oh yeah, I do. Okay. This is kind of like the Samsung Intensity on Verizon, except for it's the Alltel version, which I don't have one yet. It's in really poor shape, but I do have a really refurbished housing that looks really good that I could probably put the board and this front screen cover on. So there it is, You Sell To Us. As you can see, heavily damaged, or heavily scratched, I should say, not damaged. Sliding mechanism is really iffy, but it's Alltel. I don't have one of these on Alltel yet, so that's basically the only reason I'm picking this up. It's got some damaged battery terminals. I might be able to fix those. Let's see if we can get it to turn on at least. Yes, it does turn on. So there we go. So yeah, I could probably fix those battery terminals. Nothing too bad. Looks like just this one end one needs to be pulled out. I think it's a negative. Yeah, that's a negative on these batteries. Looks pretty dirty though. But other than that, as long as the board works, that is a good parts phone for me. So there's a quick little unboxing, quick little boot up of that phone. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and stay tuned for the next one.